As promised, we're bringing you guys more details on that Jack partnership that was released yesterday with NIO that caused the stock to go up almost 7% on the day, which is a fantastic day. All of us really needed that. We really did. But before we get into this video, we asked you guys to hit that sub button. We're trying to hit 5,000 subs by the end of this month. We only got a few days left. We're at 4,100 subs, so smash that sub button. It's the best way to stay up to date on all things NIO. So let's get into it. So again, NIO has officially announced that they extended their contract with Jack for more cars, essentially. That they're going to be increasing the production up to 240,000 vehicles, which is about 20,000 a month, which is absolutely fantastic from where we're sitting at now, about 10,000 a month. But, aside, you got to deal with the chip shortage, so we're about 7,500 a month. Right. So it's just like ball after ball after ball is just hitting NIO in the head, driving this down. But I think we're finally starting to see the positive things come out of this, and I think we're going to start to see NIO start to blast off to the moon, and I'm holding on for dear life, man. I'm holding on.
Yeah, I mean, once the chip shortage is over with and they can get to the 10,000, let alone going to 20,000 a month, like that's going to be ridiculous. That's going to be blast off like times 2.
Right.
So NIO and Jack didn't reveal when the increase in manufacturing capacity will be completed, so that's still kind of up in the air, but obviously that's going to have to be after the whole chip shortage and stuff is over with before they can even come close to those numbers. But I mean, if you remember back last year, I mean, mainly at the beginning of last year, everyone was like questioning the whole, NIO doesn't have its own factory, and everyone was just giving crap to NIO. But Lee says now, after 3 years have passed and we've sold so many cars, no one is questioning this at all, which is true. I haven't seen any more comments, giving crap to NIO, because I mean, out of the kind of 3 main Chinese one that everyone talks about, Li Xpeng and NIO, NIO's blowing everybody out of the water.
100%.
But yeah, and actually they own like 90 or 49% of that company. So it's not just like some random company that they have no control over is building these cars. Right. But so NIO will be responsible for vehicle development and engineering, supply chain management, manufacturing technology, and quality management and quality assurance. And Jack is going to be responsible for parts assembly and operations management. So it's good that, NIO still has control over the quality assurance. For me, that's obviously a big thing. Huge. You don't want to leave that in the hands of some other company. So, I mean, they still have their hands in pretty much the whole thing besides actually just putting the things together. But, they have the last say whether it passes QA or not, so that's important.
Which is fantastic. So hopefully by the time you guys see this video, you'll probably see it pre-market. So hopefully NIO's up pre-market, because right now it's up about 1% after hours. But I think going back to that real quick with Lee saying that no one's questioning it at all, I think it's because they're keeping up with Tesla back when Tesla was really early. So I think that's fantastic that they're able to do that, and I think this thing's off to the races now that they're pushing out numbers like crazy.
Yeah, so. And just one more quick thing. They're doing 240,000 out of this one factory, and you got to remember too, they're building another factory in the NIO park. Right. So yeah, they're going from 45,000 or whatever they did in 2020 to just ridiculous numbers in just a couple of years. Like that's nuts. That's crazy.
So we'll see what happens. I'm sure more news will come out about this here in the future, but when it does, we're going to bring it to you guys. So if you guys want to stay up to date on all things NIO, all things stock market, crypto, and everything related, hit that sub button. Hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. It really helps support the channel, and it keeps you guys up to date on all things, all of it. Also, links in the description for Weeble. We got a link down there for the merchandise to get yourself a cool Stock Dudes hat. And we also got links down there for the Patreon that gets you access to our Discord, which gets you access to all the members over there, our portfolios, and the Discord portfolio where the members choose which stocks to put in there. So again, thank you guys so much for all your support, and we'll see you guys in the next video.